MK
आज EC1 डाल दो, उसमें बस CTA ऐड कर देना। टेक्निकली कल भी जो गया है हमारा वो एक CTA रील थी बट वो कोलैब नहीं था, राइट? So today just add a CTA like when जो अपना edge patch हो गया है.
Yeah, you know what happened when we went to this Laka Glacier? We got our tents, right? So him, Tikki and I were in one tent, अर्जुन हेली इन वन टेंट और बाकी 3 अलग टेंट में। इन सबको गद्दा दिया हुआ है, मैट्रेस दिया हुआ है।
मैंने दी थी।
अबे तेरे और टिक्की पास फिर भी था कुछ, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है। I was sleeping on a yoga mat. I was sleeping on a yoga mat and the floors like.
You guys have a room now, by the way.
Okay. I mean we had a room पहले also.
I think Uday have a room now.
Yeah.
So everything's on my eyes. When you're out deep within me, when you're out deep within me.
Sometimes when I sit back and really let it register, I did everything I said I would and said it first. I mean the world's in denial, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse. Meanwhile I'm over here just trying to pen a verse, cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts.
So what's your 10-year goal for e-commerce? In 10 years, where do you see yourself and where do you see e-commerce?
Honestly, I don't know about 10, I'll be frank. I do know about 3 to 5.
Okay.
I feel like our main goal is to like disrupt the education system in India because that's the main goal, to like kind of like let people know that there's another route.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know there's a solution, how do you like fix your life, or let's say fix your financials and like live a life where you can just do whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah.
And live it on your own terms. Now that doesn't have to be let's say a drop shipping business. Like for example, these guys who are working with us, I mean I think they're entrepreneurs themselves because like they get to come out how much they make. So if you can't start a business, you want to join a business which like rewards you for the work you put in. Not like, okay, this is all you get, no matter if you work 1,000% or 10%. I mean at 10 maybe you get fired, but you got my point. Like if you just do the bare minimum of like 50% work, you get to keep your salary. I feel like there's no motivation, and all of our incentive structures in our team is not aligned that way, that you only get to earn this much. There's always like this achievable cherry on the top.
Yeah.
But yeah, coming back to your question, changing the education system, like I feel like debunking this whole MBA thing. I'm not a huge fan, and I'm not a huge believer of like getting an MBA if you want to learn how to do a business. I feel like just fucking do a business. And with the MBAs, which are like in the West, they're super expensive.
And you know what's amazing that you guys are doing this, because there's a huge stigma, I mean, across Asians all over the board, not just Indians. They have to go to college and become a lawyer or a doctor to become successful. So I think it's amazing that there's so many platforms like e-commerce that are coming out now and telling young people that you don't have to go to college, become thousands of dollars in debt, just become successful. There's other ways you can do it, and you can express your creativity while you do it too.
Sorry to interrupt. No worries.
It's Rasam.
And I think that what we're trying to do is... Yeah, you can just serve it, thank you. And I think what we're trying to do is not tell people like this is it. We're just saying like, okay, just consider this option also.
Yeah.
Right? It's take a choice. Like no one's saying do this only.
Because a lot of people are depressed going into the field that they really don't want to do, just because that's the route they feel like they have to go. Because what else? Do they
There's no choice, yeah.
Yeah.
Like you gotta pay your rent, you gotta pay your bills.
This is definitely the generation where like the education field is shifting to online. I feel like in 10 years, probably 60% of people will be choosing to learn how to, build their career online instead of going to college.
Yeah.
When people say, okay, what if I just do this independently first? And I'm like, yeah, I mean, definitely you can try, but the thing that you're going to be spending your money on, wasting your capital on, wasting your time on for 3 years, you could learn that in 3 weeks, or 3 days maybe. And even like traditionally, conventionally, because that's how, everyone is, school जाते हो, college जाते हो, you have a mentor still. You need to be, मतलब ऐसे हवा में you can learn something, of course you can learn something, but it's going to take a while, right? You need somebody who's been there, done that, to teach you how to do it optimally.
And I feel like this is a bit controversial, I'll just say it. You're learning business from a professor in university who's never fucking had a business.
I just finished 5. Exactly.
So like,
Really? Makes sense.
yeah, I mean, okay, if he has respect, right, like fair enough. So guest lecturers come. Like even I go guest lecture in universities, but like I don't teach there.
It's mutton chops.
Oh wow.
Who knows that shit?
Coriander chutney. Chicken 65. Smoked chili chutney.
Take one more.
Yeah. I'm out here on the road.
Down it.
Still get this shit off though. Look. The money speaking for itself, I call it fortune tell. 5 top.
Why being alone is important? अरे भाई ये देखो.
Why being alone is?
Important.
I can answer this.
तो ज़्यादा ही intellectual हो गया bro.
बोल भाई क्या हो गया?
क्या बोलूँगा इस चीज़ के लिए?
Like I said, it's like important for both. Like,
Just growth, yeah. I was just saying personal growth. That's it. Peace. Guys want peace.
Unless you're comfortable being alone. If
Exactly,
you're
that's what I said.
comfortable being alone, that's how you know you have pure confidence.
yeah. Otherwise, you're always like looking for like other people's.
Other people's validation. You need other people's comfort to be able to.
Accept yourself.
It's like you born naked, you want to die naked. That's my TED
Abaki
talk.
बताएगा.
Nah, you've covered up all the points.
Nah, bro. So it doesn't work like that.
हाँ भाई, peace. It's just about peace. Simple. Peace. What you saying? Bye, peace.
The human mind is full of
Peace is what we want.
If you can be able to just enjoy peace and quiet.
Where did you get this bracelet from?
करो. क्या बोला, मुझे भी इतनी मेमोरी है नहीं, बट कुछ तो बात है.
Liverpool fan shit talk कर रही है. Saying to the bartender Tanisha.
I remember that.
He was like, cocktail United.
Some hospitality, and it comes so naturally.
ऐसी हुआ था कल भी. भाई मैं भी ट्रिप हुआ हूँ. मैं तो सोबर था. If I was drunk, I probably would have fallen.
इससे चलते हुए गिर गया.
Okay, so I'll go for the Mogambo.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
ये कमाल नहीं है.
I think it's going to be early for me, like relatively. मतलब 5-6 नहीं बजा रहा मैं.
सुबह उठ जाएंगे 9 बजे, 8 साढ़े 8. चलते हैं वाटरफॉल देख आते हैं.
भाई वो कहाँ होती है?
11 बजे से बोल रहा हूँ. So before that.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah bitch. Hit that house, they tell me is you with it, yeah bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on.
And think about it, like creatives are the most important thing in the business in the beginning. So you need someone extremely professional to do that for you. But at the same time, also cost effective. Otherwise, it's going to break your bank, right? So I think, get that sorted as soon as you can. There is a complete hiring module that we have. We show you exactly how to hire that person, how to basically have more than 200 applicants and then eventually narrow them down to maybe 4 or 5. And the whole process behind that is that you filter out the talent, right? So yeah, get that person from Internshala. That would be my first recommendation.
नहीं, but you have to take 2. Oh, cheers.
What's up, Team Ecom Edge?
Camera in the frame.
How we doing?
Good.
Sales people in the house.
Ecom Edge.
Huh?
Life at Ecom Edge.
Life at Ecom Edge. What's up, Rahul? the man behind the camera. The cameraman has left the building.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't pig out. Finally got a call from a girl.
Yeah, so hi guys, my name is Ishan, I'm from Delhi. We run Ecom Edge along with Nishkarsh. We help basically an education company helping people bring dropshipping businesses, and now with Arjun, DTC brands. I've been running micro branded dropshipping stores for the past 4 or 5 years internationally, now in India also. And Karthik's actually my partner, so we're building a home cleaning DTC brand in India right now. Launched 2 weeks back. Challenge would be hiring great talent and training them to a point where they get up to speed. So Arjun, this is for my YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
I finally make it to Nishkarsh's vlog.
It's my
Ishan's vlog. I finally make it to Ishan's vlog with Nishkarsh.
So how was the event? What do you feel?
I think I was impressed with the scale. There are people doing 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 orders a day. Lots of guys doing utility stuff that need to become more like branded, like running 5 brands, each doing 200 orders a day. Dream is to get to 5,000 orders a day, but if 5 brands do 1,000 versus 1 brand doing 3,000, the power of the brand is different.
Yeah, like the cumulative.
But still, I think e-commerce has come along with it. People can say, 75 orders ho rahe hain, 200 orders ho rahe hain, 1,000 orders ho rahe hain. That's not a joke, right?
Yeah, it isn't actually.
And to just say that and say, no, but that's not enough for me, means that we've come along.
And they're profitable, most importantly. It's not like, they're making money out of it, so it's pretty much. But like, I'm gonna hit you up with the home cleaning thing too. I'm pretty excited for that.
It's too good.
Yeah.
But it was a lot. Kash gave some feedback to Karthik as well.
Okay. Nice.
Arjun.
I'll wrap up.
2, 1, action.
Thank you.
Convincing her to.
I was, but it's not her thing. It's her passion.
I work with the talent manager right now. He wanted to decide to pass it for now. I discussed that with them actually. I'm down to do this on the weekend. If required, I would want to sit down with you and understand the business as well. They just started everything. What do you want? What's it going?
Yeah, I think it's not even about the money after the point. It's the fact that you gotta let those people and it's this kick. It's the kick.
I take it. It's not the money, it's the kick. Bro, as soon as like you open your phone, तो एक screenshot आता है, payment का, invoice आता है.
In simple.
Yeah, say less, but that's like
Then give 2 sales 10. बस मतलब पूरा breakdown.
yeah, see, I would say let's set up a call sometime this
Yeah,
week.
sure,
So I can break down the business for me and I can understand how much of a role I can play, how much time I can.
So I think the money being good to the hell takes care of that. So I think that's one thing. Now you figure it out if it works for you.
Yeah, in terms of timing mostly.
And like it's all good as long as they're making money. It's all good. And honestly, I'm flying out to the Philippines for like fucking 2 weeks. I have someone after that, so I can't like do it myself and then ask my team members to fucking stay in a office and work, right? So I practice what I preach and I tell guys the same thing: make money, have fun, but
100%.
show up.
This is like one of the benefits of working with people who are super young. Even my boss is like 35, so we're a little bit aligned in terms of like what to expect out of your employees and like what's realistic as well, right?
Man, so I tell you, Goa, like the way I was working was like we used to work all day and then we used to like rage a little bit at night and then come back to the villa and it was like 5 a.m. and I was like, guys, just wake up at 5. That's all I said.
सुबह ही उठ रहे हैं मैं पूल में कॉल ले रहा हूँ वो गार्डन में कॉल ले रहे हैं
Okay guys, so you're on the vlog now. Okay, so you guys have to introduce yourself now. Who's going first?
My name is Renew.
Wait, yaar, guys, this is professional. This is professional.
My name is
Yeah, okay.
Give me.
Okay. So like, why have we come here? Like for the team trip and everything?
Yeah. So we're in Mumbai for like a team trip, and we came for a meeting. And honestly, like
by the way, you missed it. He missed it. You know, we came for a meeting. I was like, yeah, you missed it. So here is CEO Mannat. How's it going? Why did we come here? How are you liking it? What's the trip like?
Trip was awesome. Why did we come here? We came for a meeting, but right now we're doing like a team bonding. Aren't we bonding?
Yeah, we're bonding. But okay, one question for you.
Alright, bring it on.
It's a trick question, and it's sort of like, you know the answer, so you're not supposed to. Yeah, you're not supposed to like. GK. It's like stupid GK.
Day in the life करने देना उसके बाद करियो ये.
नहीं ठीक है. Go on.
Day in the life, my day in the life.
Yeah, this is the real day in the life. Inside Ecom Edge.
Alright. So, like, there's a healthy girl waiting at the bus stop.
By the way, this is PG, right?
This is not PG. It is PG.
Like family friendly?
Family friendly.
I don't know what family friendly is,
Like-
but like this is fun. It's like damn funny.
Okay, we'll cut it if it doesn't make it, right?
Yeah,
fair.
Alright. There's a
Drink आगे भाई.
Thank you. Cheers.
All right.
Alright. So there's a healthy girl waiting at the bus stop for the bus to come. What do you, if you had to put it into a verb, what would that be?
English के हिंदी में.
English.
इसके बाद charades खेलेंगे यार.
हाँ वो भी.
She's taking away from the question. What's the question? Yes.
What's the question? What's the answer? What's the answer to the question?
What's the question?
There's a healthy girl waiting at the bus stop
For the bus to arrive.
Yeah.
What do you call her?
No, what's the verb?
What do you call her? What will you call her?
For it?
What would you call the
Single word. How will you describe her in a single
There's a
word?
healthy girl waiting at the bus stop.
How will you call?
Healthy या कुछ कहना है?
Hai.
Maybe?
No. Maybe no. Yes.
Are you guessing it or not?
I am.
Actually, you're actually
This is
guessing
me
it.
thinking.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Let me give you a hint. It starts with M. And it ends with G. Starts with M, ends with G.
Bro, this is not gonna make it, I think.
I'm funny, but like, yeah.
Bro, this is a company vlog and shit, bro.
You know the answer.
No,
right?
I don't know that.
You don't? Okay.
I got it.
He told you.
No, I didn't.
He told you. He told you.
No, I
यार इतना lame.
I know he wouldn't be from
नहीं,
Thapar.
मेरे दिमाग में सोच रहा है.
क्या है?
मैं समझ
What is
रही
it? What's the answer?
M है and last पे G है. एक healthy girl है जो वेट कर रही है.
Bro, she knows the answer.
What's up? People don't know you, bro. Who are you?
The other Suri.
Okay, fair
Yeah,
enough.
my name is Akshan.
Fair.
Another top salesman.
Yeah, bro. So what do you do? What do you do at Ecom Edge? What do you do?
I'm in sales.
Okay. And
You're not in sales.
I'm
You're
a
a closer.
I'm a business development executive.
BD.
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 Is that a thing though?
Yeah.
भाई तूने कितनी बीड़ी पी थी वहाँ पे? पता है ना तेरे को? लाका ग्लेशियर पे.
What's your experience been working in the company?
Like, I'll be honest. Like, there's things that I want to do.
Context though, like.
That
Like, just how's your? Yeah, bro, he's answering.
you don't need. You don't need. context.
I know you like in our case.
Like when you
there's
joined, like
As a 22-year-old, life is good.
okay.
Why is it good? Why is it good?
Yeah, why is it good?
Because I'm not stressed about anything as of right now. Like, I know how I have plans set up. And I'm
But
working with...
there is stress. Stress is.
So that's good stress.
It is good stress. It's amazing stress because the stress fuels.
That's the kind of stress you would want every single day.
Fair enough. What's up, Tiki?
Hi.
So Tiki, what do you do at Ecom Edge? Intro.
Fucking candid. Like,
I am
Yes.
pre-qualified for my boys.
So what does pre-qualify mean? Because सबको पता नहीं होता क्या pre-qualify.
Pre-qualifying basically ये है कि जिन लोगों को ड्रॉप शिपिंग प्रोग्राम में ज्वाइन करना होता है, मेरा काम होता है कि बस चेक करना दैट दे वो क्राइटेरिया में.
Because we don't work with everyone.
Yeah, because we can't work with everyone because there are certain criteria they have to meet to be in the program.
और ये इसलिए भी है because like we have limited time, and we want to work with serious people, right?
Yes.
Who wants to start with this, and they're very focused on this.
Booking tickets.
Welcome.